5 more minutes. I'll change the world tomorrow.
Liam, the global robot competition is coming. We must practice today. Don't worry, Chloe. I promise I will do it tomorrow.
Liam, have you packed your things and checked your passport?
I'll do it tomorrow, Dad. Study? No, I will study tomorrow. What is happening? Stop! Ouch. Was that just a crazy dream?
Oh no! It's 10 o'clock? I am so late!
Liam, where are you? We agreed on 8. Sorry. I just woke up. Please don't be mad. We can practice tomorrow morning, okay? Wait! Why is the sun setting so fast? Monday is gone? It's Thursday? Hold on, Chloe. I'm coming right now. Look at this. The clock is magic. Stop making excuses, Liam. We missed the online registration deadline because of you. I will fix it. We can submit the project tomorrow. Liam! Look at the leaves! It's happening again. Are we inside the school? Oh no! Look at the date! The competition starts in 8 hours. And our robot is not ready. Hand me the wrench, quick. Here. What is next? Connect the blue wires now. We only have 7 hours left! Oh no! It's smoking! Don't stop! Check the battery link. I am too tired. Let's take a break and finish this tomorrow. Look outside! It's nighttime! No, no, no! Please stop! Two hours. It's impossible now.
I am so sorry, Chloe. I ruined it.
Stop spinning. Please stop. Be careful. Don't break it. I spent weeks planning this, Liam. You promised. Don't cry. I promise we can rebuild it tomorrow. The clock stopped. What time is it? 30 minutes left. Only 30 minutes.
No more tomorrow. We fix this right now.
Is it really over? Look at the screen, Liam. Look at it. Why did you keep saying tomorrow? Why? I didn't mean to. And the clock just wouldn't stop. I am going to the presentation hall alone. Goodbye, Liam. Is this what I wanted? Just more time to do nothing?
No more tomorrow. I will do this right now.
Just me now. I can do this.
Blue wire connects to slot A. Okay.
Screws here, gears there. Keep it clean.
Dad said, time doesn't wait. I won't wait either. First screw done. Step by step. The frame is ready. Now for the brain. Connecting data cable now. System, boot up. Error code? No problem. I can fix this right now. Yes, the program works. Look at that. I can't do this without you, Chloe. I need to call her. Chloe, please look. I am doing it right now.
Is that our robot moving? I am coming back. Do not stop working. Every second counts now. Let's do this. I am back. Let's finish this together.
Thank you, Chloe. No more waiting.
I will program the sensor link.
Great. I will lock the mechanical joints right now. Perfect hold, Chloe. Locking it in 3, 2, 1.
Uploading code matrix. Walkie, 90%. Done. It's alive. Sensors are stable. Yes, we did it. The presentation starts now. We are ready, Liam. Let's go. Wow! Look at this place, Chloe. Stay focused, Liam. Our turn is next.
Wait! Why did it stop?
The sensor connection is breaking.
Rebooting code link. Override terminal now.
It's working! Look at the finish line! Perfect score! We did it! We made it to the final stage because we acted right now.
We are the champions!
That is my boy! Proud of you, Liam!
I am cleaning the workshop right now, Dad. No more waiting. We will build the next robot today and test it tomorrow. Deal? Deal! See you next time. Do it today!